Alright guys, this is a breaking news from Edo State. A billionaire that we all know, Matthew Iduoriyekemwen, have cried out that the current governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, is about to demolish his hotel. Allegedly, because he refused to decamp from PDP to APC. Allegedly. You guys remember during the time of Obaseki demolished Tony Kabaka's hotel for any reason best known to them at that particular time. Now, Okpebholo is now in power. It now looks like a retaliation to demolish somebody from their own side. Allegedly, assumption. My people, this one a very, very strong case for here. But before we continue, I'd like you guys to listen to what Matthew Iduoriyekemwen have to say. Then I will recapitulate back to how Comrade Tony Kabaka's hotel was also destroyed in Edo State. Let's watch this together.
Wondering why a state, I don't know whether it is politics they are playing, why a state would want to destroy some, an indigenous investment for reasons. The other day, the land here, I consider adjoining land, they revoked the CFO, and that is still on. I saw it on the papers later, they sent me notice that they have revoked the CFO. So this one that they are doing, I don't know for what reasons they are doing it, and they said they want to demolish it. And then they are asking for investors to come to the state and want to. If there are reasons people want to demolish something, you should let me know. Like, oh, you people have violated this. I built this hotel with full approval from the state government. The person who was in the ministry there, I think he's there now, was a town planner, a lot of friendly. He personally handled all the approvals in this place. So there was nothing that was done here that was done without government approval. So I don't know for what reason they want to do what they are doing. And I still want to believe that the government is not aware of this. Maybe this would be the work of overzealous appointees of government. But like I say, this is my investment, and I will not fold my hands to watch them destroy my investment. You take the staff on your staff again. Maybe when staff because of he's the one that did. And like how wants to the manager.
Good morning. My name is Tochukwu.
Hold on. Go ahead, sir.
Okay, my name is Tochukwu. I'm the manager of the hotel. Some few minutes ago, they came just with loads of boss, with security people inside it wearing black with guns, just covered the gate and said they came to seal up the facility. Okay, where is the demand notice? What are you sealing the facility for? They didn't tell us. What happened? Where are you from? They just say that they are from the Ministry of Town Planning. I said, okay, so why are you sealing it? No reason, no comment that I should just come to their office. I said, okay, even if you are sealing a place, you need to give us a demand notice. Tell us exactly what we did, where we have defaulted for us to seal the facility. No comments. They had the paper with them. I kept insisting for them to give me the paper, but they then said no, that they're not going to give me the paper. They just wanted to seal the place as directed. So there was no cause for this in the first place. Even if there was cause for it, there's a process for you guys to take. But the whole place just looked like a jungle where people just can just act the way they feel like acting, do the things they feel like doing, without recourse to law, without recourse to anything whatsoever. It's just embarrassing. Just embarrassing. My name is Tochukwu.
Look at the sign they gave that they are demolishing the hotel. Reasons we are yet to know. They believe they've captured Delta State. They want to capture Edo by all means. So they are targeting the powerful ones in the opposition. But I don't think they will go far with it. It's not possible. It's not possible. They won't go far with it. I wonder what So you can see the mark.
This is Eterno Hotel, pride of Edo State. Why we are clamoring for investment, solid hospitality arrangement for investors. The government is trying to destroy what has been built. We are saying that the hospitality investment are not enough in Edo State. The few that we have, a government that does not know what it's doing, wants to destroy it. This is an investment that has a lot of people under its payroll. You are talking about cultism, you are talking about prostitution, you are talking about joblessness. Someone who is on the course of reducing these things, you are trying to push people to these vices. I mean, does it make sense? There are better ways of talking to investors. This is not nice. Nigerians and the Edo people must fight against this injustice. And it will stand. We remember who we are and where we are. That's the bottom line. Thank you.
Tosa. This is the Eterno Hotel, Benin City.
Yes. You can see what they go on now. You see what they go on for Edo of our dream. Is this not funny? Is this not funny? That you come and mark an existing hotel that has been here from subsidy government don't go, this hotel they here. Well registered, well arranged. The MD just left. You saw what he said, that he has all the documents to this place. You've not served him. You've not served him any notice of violation. If you serve a notice, say evaluate anything, it's a different thing than coming to mark the hotel that you want to demolish. It's not funny. It's funny, my sister. Is it the Edo we want to leave our children? Is it the Edo some of us want to belong to start investing? It is really, really funny. It is really, really funny. But I know from as time unfolding itself, we will know what the problems are. But I can tell you free of charge that nobody can force anybody into what the person does not believe in. When you don't believe in a cause, nobody can coerce you, nobody can force you.
It's not by force now. Is it by force that everybody must belong to APC? It's not by force now.
If it is politically motivated, I know the governor will correct it. He should correct it.
Because it's not making sense.
Today, tomorrow somebody else will be governor.
It's not making sense.
It does not know anything about what is going on here. Let us believe it does not know. But as they break, sun they shine, we will know what will be the problem. So I just hope Edo will see the kind of oppression that is going on in the land right now. We hope for a better days ahead anyway. May God help all of us in this state.
What is for the video now? What is? What? What is wrong with anything further?
is just one of the many removal of illegal properties that are either sitting on right of way of, or water flood paths, or violating one building code or the other in the state. This process has been ongoing since about a year and a half ago, and it's going to be an ongoing process even after now. So the said building which we just spoke about, it's not just one, standing on its own. It's just one out of many other corrections that have been carried out by the Ministry of Fiscal Planning of the Edo State government. Yeah, well, in Nigeria, once anybody starts to try to put things the way they should be, people always cry about political undertone, but that one is not the case in this matter at all. Yes, you spoke about the delay. Yes, the delay was necessary because the owner of this property had approached the courts, seeking redress. And as a government, we do not take the laws into our hands. We follow the process to ensure that all the processes initiated by this individual were duly taken care of legally before the demolition was carried out.
This is shocking. Do you know why it's shocking? I told you guys that these people in power, what they are doing, they get power, they use the power to intimidate whoever that refused to support them, or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Governor Obaseki did it to Comrade Tony Kabaka because Comrade Tony Kabaka at that time refused to support him in second term or whatever. Right? Now, Okpebolo is about to do it to Iduoriyekemwen now. For any reason best known to them, but allegedly what they are saying is that Iduoriyekemwen refused to move from satanic PDP to satanic APC. What's your own take? Our duty now to carry on give you now. Say what they have for our state. Put it on the comment section. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.